Your brain cleans itself every night, but if you're chronically stressed, that process may not be working properly. There's a system in your brain often called the glymphatic system. It clears metabolic waste, including proteins like amyloid-beta and tau. And this system is most active while you're asleep. During deep sleep, your brain actually changes state. Brain cells shrink slightly, the space between them increases, and cerebrospinal fluid flows more freely. This allows waste products to be cleared more efficiently. Now, here's where stress comes in. Chronic stress increases cortisol and keeps your in a more activated state. That affects your sleep, specifically less deep sleep, more fragmented sleep, and lower sleep quality overall. There's another key piece, noradrenaline. When you're awake or stressed, noradrenaline levels are higher. During deep sleep, they drop. And this matters because higher noradrenaline is associated with reduced space between brain cells, which limits fluid movement. So when stress reduces deep sleep and keeps your brain in a more activated state, it may interfere with the conditions your brain needs to clear waste effectively. Not completely block it, but reduce how well it works. In humans, even short-term sleep disruption has measurable effects. One night of sleep deprivation has been shown to increase amyloid-beta levels in the brain, and sleep loss can also affect tau dynamics. Your brain doesn't clean itself best when you're stressed. It cleans itself best when your nervous system allows it to enter deep, restorative sleep. So instead of looking for detox hacks, focus on the conditions that actually matter. One simple, evidence-based way to support this is slow, controlled breathing before sleep. Breathing at around 6 breaths per minute has been shown to increase parasympathetic activity and reduce physiological stress. And in clinical studies, this kind of breathing has been associated with improved sleep quality. Here's a simple way to try it. Inhale slowly through your nose for 4 to 5 seconds, then exhale gently for about 5 to 6 seconds. No force, no breath holding, just slow, steady breathing. Aim for about 5 to 10 minutes before bed. If your mind wanders, that's fine. Just bring your attention back to the rhythm of your breath. You're not forcing your brain to clean itself. You're shifting your nervous system into a state where that process can occur. Protect deep sleep, keep a consistent sleep schedule, reduce stimulation before bed, and manage stress during the day, not just at night. Because this isn't about forcing the system, it's about allowing it to work. Your brain already knows how to clean itself. The question is whether your lifestyle is letting it